So how do you develop your style as a designer? There's so many, videos out there on how to develop your style, but basically it comes by inspiration. It's actually based on your character and your own personality. And the way that you develop that is by inspiration in the world, traveling, listening to music, hanging out with your family, reading books, going to movies. All these experiences accumulate and they form your worldview or your perspective. And it helps you to see design in a different way. And over time, your different influences will affect your style. So that's how you develop your style. But not only that, is you have to constantly create. You have to explore and design. And when you find something that you enjoy, and when you niche down and focus on a certain aspect, for instance, if you love vector illustration, right? You can focus on illustration. And then maybe you like doing portraits or people. You can just focus on illustrating people. And then from that, what you do is when you find a certain technique that you love, and you love always working in that form, then you'll constantly produce work with using the same technique. And over time, there's more influences and ideas that you're creating. Your style will just develop by itself. It's not a forced thing. It develops over time in the process of creating and exploring and testing techniques that you like. That's how you develop your style. It comes by creating and doing. So, don't focus and try and find a technique or a certain trick or algorithm. There's no algorithm, it just develops over time. Maybe you like working with textures, or maybe you like doing stippling brushes. Focus on that technique, get good at that, master that technique, and then whatever, area you're designing in, apply it to those illustrations or those logos or those designs that you're doing. Apply it, and over time you'll see your style start to form. And then what happens is people will know you for that style. You can charge more for your clients, and it's going to help you be a professional for that specific thing. So yeah, that's just my 2 cents on how to develop your style as a designer. Like, comment, and subscribe for more content every week. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video.